Okay, children. Now we will discuss about comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. So comparing numbers means what? If two numbers are given, then which number is greater and which number is smaller? Okay, if 4 or 5 numbers are given, then we have to identify the largest number and smallest number and writing them in the ascending order or descending order. These kind of problems undercomes comparing of numbers. Okay, so which number is greater and which number is smaller, we have to identify. How we can identify? Example, two numbers are given here. 5,67,204. It is one number, and 56,724. It is another number. So which is the larger number here? Which is larger number here means first count the digits. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 6-digit number. And next count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-digit number. Okay, there are no same number of digits here. One consists of 6 digits, another one consists of 5 digits. So the number which consists more digits, that is larger number. So in these two, 6 is more, 6 digits, and this is 5. It is more. That's why this number is the greatest number. Okay, if there are two different digits are there, then we identify. Here 6 and here 5 means directly said which number has more digits, that is the which digit largest number. Okay, which digit has lesser, which number has less digits, that is what shortest one or smaller one. So now if a number has same number of digits, for example 56,724 and another number is 56,000 or 55,274. Now which is bigger and which is smaller? Count the digits first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same are there. So if there are same number of digits, then how can we calculate the smallest and greatest numbers means? From the first you start. The first digit is what? 5 here. What is the first one here? 5. Both are same. Then go to second one. What is second one here? 6. What is the second one here? 5. Okay, they are different. 6 and 5. Which is bigger? 6 is bigger. So this number is bigger. Okay, if there is same number of digits, then identify first lakhs, next 10,000s, next thousands, next hundreds. Like this you have to identify. If lakhs digit is same, then observe 10,000s digit. If 10,000 digit is also same, then go to thousands. Thousands also same, then go to 100. Hundreds also same, then go to tens and then ones. Okay. Example, I am writing another one. 3,27,865. 3,27,827. Which is the greatest number among these? Which is greatest number means what you can say? Observe the digits. 3, 3, 2, 2, 7, 7. All of these are same. Next go to this one. 8, 8. Next one what? 6 and 2. These are different. So till you observe the different number, you observe them. Now 6 and this is what? 2. Which is larger in both of them? 6 or 2? 6. So this is the greatest number. Correct. This way you have to identify it. Next one more is that. What is that means? Writing the symbols less than, greater than and equals to. Less than, it is greater than and this is equal. So less than, left hand less than means. Okay, so use these symbols between the two numbers. Okay, I am giving two numbers here, 65,817, 65,820. Okay, what is the symbol you have to use? Always remember there are two ends. These two ends towards the bigger number and this one end towards the smaller number. Okay, these two towards which one? Bigger number, and this one towards a smaller number. So now, which is bigger and which is smaller in this? Which is bigger? First identify 6, 6, 5, 5, 8, 8, 1, 2. So where is different? Here 1 and here 2. These are different. Now which one is bigger in 1 and 2? 2 is bigger. So that's why this number is bigger. This number is bigger means which symbol you have to write? This symbol you have to write. What is this symbol? Less than. So 65,817 is less than 65,820. Okay. Now I have given another number like this. 1,24,368. 24,368. Now which symbol we have to use? Which is bigger among these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 6-digit number and this is a 5-digit number. Direct I said which number has more digits. This has 6 digits more. So that's why it is greater. Use this symbol. Okay. So in the comparing means we can able to say which is greater and which is smaller. Next we have to use the symbols less than, greater than and equal. And similarly we have to write in the ascending order or in the descending order. All will undercomes comparing of numbers only. Okay, let us start exercise problems now. Already we have completed the first bit in exercise 1.2. Okay, then go to the second bit. What is the second bit in 1.2? Exercise 1.2, second bit. What is second bit? Compare using less than, greater than or equals. Okay, we have to use these symbols in the given numbers. First A, 5, 87, next 90, 456. This is a number given. Next 5, 78, 23, 567. This is another number given. So which symbol you have to write in this circle? Okay, first read these numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. 5 crores, 87 lakhs, 90,456. 5 crores, 78 lakh, 23,567. So observe which is a bigger number in this. 5 and 5 both are same. Second one, 8 and 7. So 8 is bigger than 7. So this number is bigger. Bigger number, always 2 ends towards bigger number. These 2 towards bigger number we have to write. So this is greater than this one. Okay, next write the second problem. What is second one? 1 crore 40 lakh 10,178. Okay, and 1 crore 40 lakhs 10,720. Okay, these are the two numbers given. 1 crore 40 lakhs 10,100.